Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hubs. Today we are making brown butter pecan cookies. Let's get started by melting our butter. You're going to let that cook for about a few minutes just until it starts to smell nice and nutty. Continue to give it a stir so it doesn't burn. It will begin to become very foamy and you will continue to stir it. It will become an amber color, and then you're going to remove it and set it aside. In a medium-sized pan, go ahead and add some butter, about 1 or 2 tablespoons, and add chopped pecans. Let that get nice and toasty for about 4 minutes or so. Your nose will let you know when it's ready. Continue to stir and don't let it burn. Once it becomes nice and nutty, you're going to set it aside and let it cool. Now we're going to be adding our cooled brown butter to our brown sugar. You're also going to be adding eggs, vanilla flavor, and salted caramel syrup. That's going to give it a nice flavor. Make sure you get all the goodness from the brown butter. All it's going to do is add additional flavor. Let me know if you've ever tried brown butter pecan cookies, and if so, did you like them or no? Mix well until combined. I almost forgot the granulated sugar as well, so just go ahead and add that and mix until combined. In this bowl, I just simply had some all-purpose flour, some baking soda, and cornstarch. Cornstarch is just going to make it nice and chewy. Once you add your dry to your wet, you're going to fold in those toasted nuts that we did earlier, and your dough is ready. Go ahead and portion your cookies. Make sure you space them a few inches apart because they will spread. Before you put them in the oven, allow the dough to cool for about 30 minutes or so. Once you form your dough, you can go back in with a small container of sugar and place the dough back and forth in the sugar, and it's just going to give it a nice shine and a crunch. Bake those in the oven for about 13 minutes or so, and they're good to go. Immediately sprinkle them with some sea salt flakes, and it's going to give it a nice sweet and salty crunch. And that's it, you guys. Nice buttery brown butter pecan cookies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. Until next time, bye-bye.